Hi guys. In this video, I will guide you how to create a gift guide section, and share some tips to boost Father's Day sales for your online store. Creating gift guides that are specifically tailored for Father's Day can help customers find the perfect gift for their dads. These guides can be shared on your website, social media channels, or in-store. First of all, in PageFly dashboard, head to Sections, and then click Create a blank section. In Page Editor, drag and drop a heading. Change the heading text to Gifts for Dad in General tab here, then go to Styling tab. Change the content color like this, set the margin top to 0, and 32 for the margin bottom, to align the spacing. After that, scroll down and choose Playfair Display Font here. The font size should be 64 pixels. Right below, set center alignment for the heading, and hit More Settings here. I will set regular weight for the font, 1.4 em for line height, and hit Capitalize for the text here. Then, change the background color of the section like this. Next step, I will drag and drop a product list below the heading. Choose Custom Collection like this. Choose Father Gifts Collection. Now for the product title, you can customize its style in Styling tab, and here is how it looks. You can see here the product title of these products are not aligned together. I will add some CSS code to make them look beautiful. Click on this product title, scroll down and hit Advanced. I will paste a code like this. Here is the result. Move on the next step. I will add a third-party app element called Product Reviews. This will help the customers easier to rate the quality of the product. First, click on Add Third-Party App Elements, and click this setting here. Type Product Reviews on the search bar, and enable this element right here. Then, drag and drop it below the product title. Set the margin bottom to 20 pixels. Then, delete the current product price, and drag and drop a new product price like this. Now, I will styling for price, and compare to price here. And here is the result. Finally, for the Add to Cart button, let's see how I do it. In normal state, choose Josephine Sans font, 16 pixels for font size, 1.5 em for line height, hit Capitalize button here. Then, change the background color like this. Scroll down, choose Solid for border style, change the border color like this. Hit More Settings, change the border width to 1 pixel. Next, switch to mouse over state, change the content color and background color like this. Here is the result. Now, move to final step, switch to mobile view to check. The heading size should be 40 pixels. Click on product title. I will add a code like this for better alignment. All done. Hit save and publish. And check it on preview. Pretty nice, right? Also, in this video, we will give you some tips to increase sales for Father's Day. As you know that, Father's Day is a great opportunity to boost sales, and reach new customers. Let's dive into these tips. Firstly, create a promotion that offers a discount, or special deal on Father's Day related items. You can advertise this promotion on your website, and social media channels. Secondly, bundle related products together in a Father's Day gift package. This is a great way to promote cross-selling, and increase the average order value. Last but not least, use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your Father's Day deals and promotions. Use hashtags like #FathersDay, and #GiftsForDad to reach a wider audience. And remember, to start your Father's Day promotion early, to give your customers plenty of time to make their purchases. By following these tips, you can increase your sales, and make Father's Day a success for your business on Shopify. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter. Thanks for watching.